Hey everybody, thanks for watching my YouTube. Today I'm going to be unboxing the box by Fashionsta. I'm really excited about it. I've been waiting forever for it to get here. It feels like it's been weeks since I was charged for it, but I guess they had a shipping issue this month and it took them a little longer to process the boxes than expected. So I just got this today. There's only like 3 days left in October. And I'm just gonna get right down to it because I'm so excited to see what's in here this month. I haven't been disappointed yet by the box by Fashionsta. It's only $19.99 a month, and that does include the shipping and handling and all the taxes, so you won't be charged more than $19.99 a month, and it's absolutely worth it. I am so happy with the Fashionsta box. The first thing you get inside the box is a pamphlet. And this will tell you everything that's inside the box that you receive each month. It also gives the price, the retail value price of all the products if you were to buy them full size. So it's really a good deal. It says the retail value of this box this month is $157.50. So for $19.99, I got $157 worth of products, beauty products that are phenomenal. So I can't wait to find out what's in here. I haven't watched any of the spoilers yet, so I'm just gonna get down to it. This is how it's packaged. It's beautiful. It has the Fashionsta tissue paper and a little sticker that says the box, and I love the packaging on that. It's always nice when they package it for you, and it makes it feel like it's a present that you're opening up each month. So I haven't torn into this yet. Let's just get right down to it and see what's in here. It's also packed with the crinkle paper, which is fun. It's a nice touch. Very, very cool. So the first thing I'm going to see is Teami, and this is tea infused serum, hibiscus and vitamin C. And last month they sent me a Teami face mask. So this is really cool. It has a beautiful design. I love the packaging. Teami is a great brand. I used the face mask last month and I absolutely love it. It was green tea face mask. And this one says it's infused with tea as well. It's called Vita C Serum. Oh, look at that, and it's pink. It's so pretty. So what does it say on here about this? It says, quench dry skin with the serum's water-esque consistency, which instantly absorbs into your skin. It takes less than 30 seconds, and you can quickly continue your beauty routine. So I think you put this on before you do your makeup. It's cute. I haven't seen a pink serum yet, but I can't wait to try that. It's infused with hibiscus. Maybe that's why it's pink. It's so pretty. Even the packaging is pretty. So that's fun. Okay, what's next in the box? This I saw on their Instagram. This is Oil to Foam Jet Cleanser. This is a face cleanser. It says it dissolves makeup and impurities to protect the skin from aging and allow skin to restore vitality and appearance of youthful looking skin. So that's really nice. I think that it is an oil consistency, and then when you pump it out of the product, then it will turn more into a mousse type formula. That's great. So a makeup remover and face cleanser and a serum. So 2 beauty care products that are super nice. So look at this, you guys. This is incredible. This is a Sigma brush, and it's angled on the top. I just bought some new makeup brushes, and they're both powder and blush brushes, and I didn't get an angled brush, so this is perfect. It will add to my collection. I'm gonna tear right into it right now because it is so pretty, and I've never owned a Sigma brush before. Look at that. Gosh, it's beautiful. And it's so soft. This is perfect for doing your contours or doing your blushes. It chisels out that look and blends the makeup perfectly. So I'm glad I didn't buy an angled brush last week when I was shopping, because I got one in my box. Yay, Sigma. That's cool. It says that this brush is valued at $25. That's great. That's so exciting. So on to the makeup products. Let's see what else is in here. I'm going to grab the other pink box. All these are pink. It's perfect. Everyday Everybody Club BFF Natural Rescue Balm. What does this say? Pawpaw, acai, and peppermint. It's for dry bits, paraben free. No animal products. They don't use nasty stuff. That's cute. A friend in need is a friend indeed. This nifty little rescue balm has got your back, baby. So I wonder what this is for. I wonder. Apply liberally to dry areas, reapply as needed. So I'm assuming, yeah, this is like a lotion balm. I'm going to try this out right now and see. Oh, it is. So you can put it on your skin, you can put it on your lips, and it is a balm. It's nice and clear. It smells like peppermint. So that's going to be super hydrating for your skin during this fall season. I live in a really dry climate, so anything that is hydrating and healthy for your skin really helps out at this time of year. And the last thing in the box, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th thing I'm going to pull out. No, there's 6 products in here. Oh my goodness. What is this? Girlactic Lip Paint Balm Duo, 2, not trio. I think this is lip color, and it's a duo, so you get 2 in 1. One's a brighter shade and one's a more mute shade. I think that these are both matte colors. They don't look too shimmery. These are perfect rose tones. They would like match my shirt today. I like that. And also what's cool about these 2 colors is that you can do the ombre effect. If you put the darker color on the outside of your lips and the lighter color on the inside of your lips, you'll give the effect that your lips are larger. So I'm going to swatch these out real quick so you can see. Gosh, those are such pretty colors for this season. I am in love with these rose tones. They are like my favorites to wear, and I love the matte colors. Yeah, those colors are perfect. If you're not too into the matte, you can always just throw on some lip gloss on top of them, but look at those colors. I think they would be really good for any skin type, any skin tone, and again, they're perfect for fall. Look at that. It's so pretty. All right, Girlactic Matte Lip Paint Duo. That's so exciting. Okay, so this is the biggest and final product in the box. It is Leopardina 12 eyeshadow and 4 highlighter palette. Oh my goodness. Look at that. What a cool product to put in here. This is so exciting. I can't wait to see what these colors look like. That's what the back looks like. 12 eyeshadows, 4 highlighters. And yeah, these colors are perfect for me. I love the browns. I love the golds. I love the different rosy colors. The lighter matte colors are nice too. It looks like some of those are really shimmery. And the highlighters are like in every shade, so you can match those with any look. That's really pretty. What a great deal. I love that Fashionsta puts these full-size makeup palettes in the box. It makes it so worth it. Like, you can try your makeup every month and do a different look with different colors and a brand new eyeshadow palette. So this is exciting. This is the Leopardina eyeshadow and highlighter palette. I love that. It's so cool. Okay, so I think I got a really good deal in this box this month. I love that they pick colors for the season that kind of go with everybody's skin tone and match everybody's different styles that we're going to be wearing this year. I love these. You can do a whole makeup face with these. You got your lipstick, you got your highlighters, you got your eyeshadows, and then the skincare products are perfect too. So really good deal. I think this is probably an 8 out of 10 on the boxes. I love the Sigma brush. This is probably my favorite product that they sent me. I will definitely be using this every single day. I can't wait to try this cleanser and the serum and add those to my skincare routine. I think these are great. I also really do enjoy the Teami brand. I love the face mask I got in the box last month, so this will add to my collection, and I can't wait to try that out and see what it does for my skin. And yeah, pretty much that is it. Get online, check out the box. There is a waiting list on the box, so if you go to fashionsta.com and you don't see the option to buy the box and subscribe, just go ahead and add your email to the email list, because they will eventually send you an email letting you know that the box is open for subscriptions. They have a very limited number of people that they send these to, but it's worth the wait. Everything good is worth the wait. I only waited about 2 months to get on the subscription list, and I am so glad that I did. So it's really worth it. If you enjoy this box, go online, subscribe to that, and let me know in the comments what your favorite products are in here, what you would use, what you wouldn't use, if you think the box is worth it. Again, thanks for watching my channel. I'm ErRenee. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you see, and let me know in the comments what you think. Bye.